Krusty Brothers!
So YouTube, as you know, the Krusty Brothers have been blowing up, okay? With that, with our revenue and income, we've decided to make a good decision and buy a product for the Krusty Brother. And you never know, we might give this away in the 300 subscriber giveaway. The air horn.
The air horn.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment on this video, and you might be featured to win this air horn.
It's a Porsche 911.
Smoke bomb out! Guys, unfortunately, the Pontiac Torrent wasn't able to make it to the truck meet. If the Pontiac Torrent was here, I'm sure we'd own this truck meet. But under these circumstances, Chevy Equinox.
Why is Grand Sledding not running?
We're not sure what's happening, guys.
Oh, wait, go get the burnout. Go get the burnout. Where are they going? It's here. Someone's getting red love over there. Where are they going? Where are they going?
This is deadass a GTA lobby.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Holy dude, the cops, bro.
Cops called.
Bro. Crazy, bro.
We're going to jail.
I don't know if you guys can see it on that front of that truck, but the cop's over there somewhere. Somewhere over there. I don't know where at, but he's over there somewhere doing. I don't know what he's doing, but. What's up, Krusty folks? Krusty crew. We're driving Nolan's whip today. They're over there getting Sonic, and the cops were called. The truck show got moved from the Sears parking lot, and they're over here in the TJ Maxx parking lot. And there was a cop over here. I mean, you can't really. I don't know if you can switch this thing. I guess not, but yeah, they got cops over here. I don't think they're doing anything. I think they're just checking out, make sure everything's okay. But because earlier they were doing a whole bunch of burnouts in country. But yeah, I don't think it's dimmed down a lot. It's just chilling now. But cops did show up. Oh no!
Skibbity dub 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 yes yes. Skibbity dub dee doop. Skibbity dub 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 yes yes. Skibbity dub dub.
Subscribe to Krusty Brothers.